there, it's Babs here from My Fiery Phoenix and Yarn Academy, and today I'm giving you a little bit of an insight into my new process. I'm often asked by colleagues, by pupils, by students, how I manage to get so much work done. Do I ever sleep? And the answer is yes, of course I sleep, or else I wouldn't have any energy with which to create all these beautiful designs and all these training courses and other materials. But today I'm going to show you how I'm migrating from my 1,876, or at least that's what it feels like, journals. And this is just business journals. This doesn't include my pattern journals, my training course descriptions, my email scheduling, my content planning, so many journals. And what I'm doing is I'm replacing all of these with a bullet journal. It has already made a difference and it's only a couple of weeks in, and what I'm going to do is show you how I set up the core information for my bullet journal, and then in another video I'm going to show you how I actually planned out the first couple of weeks of May, because I jumped in partway through the month. I jumped in around my birthday rather than it being on the 1st of January or the 1st of a month. So you can start a bullet journal any time you actually have the kit available. So I'll go grab that and show you how I set it up. So this is my very first bullet journal. As I said, I've been journaling for years using a variety of tools and implements and techniques, and I've been bullet journaling without realizing it for years. And I've got all sorts of my own little symbols. These are the official symbols. I haven't included my own bizarre ones just yet, but we shall wait and see. And Sophie has a squeaky ball in the background, so I apologise for that. It sounds like she's trying to destroy the ball, but hopefully that won't put you off too much from this video. So we have the key for the rest of my activities, and a bullet journal actually is all about completing the bullets. It's not about the pretty pictures and the beautiful graphics. I use that to give me white space. One of the things that I really missed in my regular journals and notebooks is the fact that everything just ends up being a solid mass of lettering, and it's just a ton of writing with not very much white space. So I am embracing the grid of the bullet journal to actually give me that white space to help me organise my thoughts in a slightly more conducive way. You'll have to also excuse my rather rubbish lettering. It will improve with time, but this is where we are at the moment. So I've got my key up above and my index is over the page. So there's a couple of pages set up for my index, and then it was around my birthday, so now everyone knows how old I am. And so yes, new year, new chances, same dreams, fresh start. So I'm going to pop some quotes in here. I threw it out, and I've got some bank holidays marked out, and this is my year at a glance, even though we're only starting partway through the year. As you can see, partway through the year, so I've not included anything for the first 4 months, and then we're moving on, and I've got dates back to school, mythical cow, half-term holidays, all that kind of stuff. So this is our year at a glance, well, not at a glance, but this is our year planner, so that I can start putting things out. We have business goals, I have my cleaning schedule, and this I actually totally messed up. And for me, that is a major problem, and I didn't rip the page out. I'm so proud of myself. I fixed it. I left it and I fixed it. So there's actually a piece of paper that's been taped down over the top. And so these are some of the cleaning tasks that I need to go through. I have YouTube videos to make, YouTube growth tracker, so some of the key milestones that I want to hit this year, and when I've already hit some of them. We have growth trackers, and already I've hit the 40,000 monthly views on Pinterest. I've got a list of things that I like to watch, or I want to watch and read. If anyone's got any suggestions for business books to read, I would be grateful, because this is very empty at the moment. I can fill it in, but I'd rather fill it in with some business things. And then we've got a savings tracker, working on that 1 week, the week of the year becoming the amount of the year that you put into savings. So I've only just started it, so I've got a grand total of about £6 saved up. So in week 1 you save a pound or a dollar, week 2 it's 2, week 3 it's 3, week 4 it's 4, and then that adds up to I think around about 1.5 grand, just under, by the time you've finished your year. Some learning goals: mosaic knitting, double knitting, continental knitting. Can you see a theme here? Facebook ads, proper cursive, yay, I need to learn that. My pattern ideas, this is blank at the moment, as is my vision board. There'll be lots of pictures and images put around this page to help me grow my vision for the coming year, and then memories to be filled in as we go. What I'll do is include a separate video for the setup for May, and it's not going to be massive because there's only a few pages, but that will be done in screenshots rather than video, because they've got details in them that I'm not necessarily wanting to share with the world. So I will see you in that next video. But hopefully this video has been helpful on how to set up a bullet journal, or at least some of the sections that you can include in a bullet journal. I'm hoping that this one will replace my plethora of other journals and order books and diaries and dates and all that other kind of stuff. So we'll get rid of all of those, and hopefully the bullet journal will become my new best friend. So until next time, bye for now.